Welcome to DKDS Analytics. This is our very first tutorial, and I'm so glad you're here. Today's lesson is titled, What is Data? Now let me ask you something. Have you ever checked your mobile money balance, browsed social media, or read news headlines while sipping your morning tea? If so, you've already interacted with data, likely without even realizing it. You see, data is all around us. Every step we take in the digital world leaves a trail of information. For example, when you send money via mobile banking, a record is created: who sent it, to whom, how much, when, and where. When you take a photo, it stores not just the image, but also the time, location, and the device used. That's all data. And here's the key message: data is for everyone, not just for tech experts. Now, let's go a little deeper. A widely respected definition from Dr. Anil K. Maheshwari explains. Data is anything that can be recorded. Observations and facts are data. Anecdotes and opinions are also data, of a different kind. That's right. Stories, opinions, and personal experiences are also forms of data. Amazing, isn't it? Let's compare a few popular definitions. Oxford Dictionary defines data as facts and statistics collected together for reference or analysis. TechTarget says it's information translated into a form that is efficient for movement or processing. IBM calls it any piece of information that can be stored, moved, or processed by a computer. Wikipedia, a set of values of qualitative or quantitative variables. Geeks4Geeks defines data as a collection of facts such as numbers, words, measurements, or descriptions. And Bloomfire describes it as raw information that needs to be processed or analyzed to gain meaning. Now let's talk about where data comes from. Data can come from almost anywhere: hospitals, schools, businesses, social media, machines, and in many different forms like printed reports, digital files, emails, chats, videos, even voice notes. Sometimes we even talk about data. This is called metadata. Metadata might include things like file type, the timestamp, the uploader's identity, and how the data was organized or interpreted. Let's now break down the different forms of data. First, nominal data. Think about t-shirt colors: red, blue, green. Just labels, no ranking. This is nominal. Next, ordinal data. Shirt sizes like small, medium, large. Clearly ordered, but the gaps aren't equal. That's ordinal. Then we have interval data, like rating a service from 1 to 10. The steps are equal, but there's no true zero. That's interval data. Ratio data includes things like weight, income, and distance, all of which have a true zero and can be measured precisely. That's ratio data. And finally, BLOBs, or binary large objects. These include videos, audio files, and images. They need special tools to analyze and don't naturally fit into tables. Let's also compare public versus private data. Public data usually has minimal ethical concerns and broad accessibility. Private data, on the other hand, requires high ethical scrutiny and personal confidentiality. Now, are you ready for a big idea? Let's talk about the era of datafication. We're living in a time where almost everything is being observed and recorded. Mobile phones, smart appliances, wearable devices, they're constantly collecting data. This is known as datafication. According to Kreider's law, digital storage capacity doubles roughly every 18 months. That means we can store more in better detail for less money. And that's why data is growing so fast. So, as you begin this course, just remember, you already know more about data than you think. You've used it, shared it, even created it. Now it's time to understand it deeply, learn how to clean it, organize it, and use it to solve real-world problems. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow DKDS Analytics for more tutorials coming your way. You've just completed your first lesson. And this is only the beginning. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any lessons, and let's start building your data journey together.